Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change profession in WoW. So all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Please note, if you already have two primary professions but want a different one, you'll need to unlearn one of your existing primary professions and then learn the new primary profession you want. Steps to unlearn a profession. First, you need to click the spellbook button at the bottom right corner of the user interface. Click the Professions tab. Click the red circle / icon next to the profession you wish to unlearn. In the pop-up window, type Unlearn and then click the Unlearn button. And you are done. Now, to learning a new profession. Travel to the nearest city. Find and right-click the nearest city guard. Choose the Profession Trainer option. Choose the profession you wish to learn. Open your world map and travel to the red flag on it. Click the Profession Trainer at that location and train the desired profession. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily change your WoW profession. I hope you like this video. If yes, please hit the like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.